Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to be learning about environmental print. And our learning target for today is I can find environmental print at home. When we talk about environmental print, we're talking about letters and words that we might recognize. So you might find letters and words like that in your room, on your clothes, on food, on other things you buy from the store like toys, maybe on soccer balls, basketballs, and footballs you might see words or any of those kind of things, and many other places at home. Here I have my laundry detergent, which starts with a T, Tide. Here are some examples of environmental print that I had in the kitchen at my house. Anyone know what this cereal is with Tony the Tiger on it? These are Frosted Flakes. I wonder what this is with SpongeBob and Patrick and Squidward. Does anyone ever have these at their house? They're called Go-Gurt, and they're a type of yogurt. So you might know that just by seeing it. And we don't even have to read the words. We just might know it because we know what it looks like. These are Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios. Anyone know what these are here? They are Rice Krispies. Some of you might have them in a dessert called a Rice Krispie bar. How about these over here? What does this look like? These are Pop-Tarts, and these are another food you might have for breakfast. And one last cereal with this Lucky the Leprechaun. It looks like a unicorn there. It is Lucky Charms. Here are some examples that you might find in toys or you might look at the store. So, what is this here? Some of you might like to play with these. Lego, right? Legos. So that's the logo Lego, and you can know that when you see it because you might see it a lot if you play with them at your house. How about this one? That says Barbie. If you play with dolls, that would be something you might see too. Barbie. How about this one down here? That's Play-Doh. A lot of us might play with Play-Doh. That's a fun thing to play with. How about this one? That's Hot Wheels. We can play with Hot Wheels cars, and you might see that logo when you buy a new car. And this one would be LOL. Those are a type of doll, LOL surprise dolls. When you go shopping, you might get bags from a certain store. Who knows where this bag is from right here? That bag is from Walmart. How about these bags over here? They are from Target. And lastly, this bag would be maybe a bag you get when you go grocery shopping. That one is from Cub Foods. Here are some examples you might see on some clothing and on TV and on the internet. Who knows what this one is? That one is Nike. It has that swoosh. And sometimes even without the words Nike, the Nike, you might know it just by the swoosh that that's Nike. And there's Adidas under it, another type of shoe. And you might know that just by that logo. Sometimes we call that a logo. And Skechers, that S stands for Skechers, and some of you might have shoes from them too. This one is a channel you see on TV. Also is something that you might see when you go to Mall of America. Do you know what it is? That says Nickelodeon. And at Mall of America, they call that Nickelodeon Universe. This is another channel, or even maybe an app that you might have on a tablet or iPad at home. PBS Kids. You can watch Clifford or Pinkalicious and Peterific or other shows on PBS Kids, and they have games too like that. And Wildcrats is another thing on PBS Kids that's really cool, where you can learn about animals. Some of you might play this game. It's called Roblox. And some of you like to play that. I remember from the beginning of the year when we talked to you about things you like to do. And another thing that some of you like to do is watch videos on this. It's called YouTube. So you might watch videos on YouTube. And that's another thing that you might see. All these are examples of environmental print because even though you might not know how to read the words yet, you know what it is by looking at it. So remember, environmental print is all around you. Now it's your turn. Take pictures of environmental print at your home. Tomorrow we will be looking at environmental print in our community. So I'm going to go around and I'm going to take some pictures around our school, around some of our neighborhoods, and then I'm going to put them up there and we'll explore some different things we see when we're in our communities. Okay, kindergartners? I hope that when you do your activity, you can find some examples of environmental print in your house. And remember, you're going to take a picture, a photo of them, and you'll upload it to Seesaw. All right? Have a great day, and I will see you for more environmental print tomorrow. Bye.